Hello, please subscribe to my channel Happy Little Figures. Here I have made a paper cake shop. A piece of paper is folded from both the sides to make doors, and I decorated it with washi tape, some DIY stickers of cake and pastry since it's a nice little cake shop, and a donut. The shop is open, and I painted all the decorations with brush pens and watercolors. Let's see what's inside the shop now. Here we open it, and here we go. One side is full of the bases of the cake, and some funny names are given to the cakes like strawberry cream, rainbow love, something which is matching for the color combination of the cake. And one side is full of toppings. So we are going to take the base first as per the name, and we are going to place it over there. For example, strawberry cream, and let us find a suitable topping for it. And here we go, the cake is complete.